Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use FabFilter's Timeless. It's a really cool delay plugin. Let's hear what we have. I will open FabFilter's Timeless. First, we'll leave our mix at 30%. We're going to reduce the stereo width to about 75%. We'll increase our feedback cross mix to 100 and our feedback pan about 0.6, and we'll reduce our feedback to about 30%. I will set my out at plus 18 though, and we'll set our in to minus 24. I will set my time delay here to 300 and on the left to 150, and I will set it to an eighth note. We'll create two new LFOs. We'll set the first one to an eighth note, second one to a quarter note, and the third one to a whole note, and the fourth to an eighth note. We're going to remove those two controllers, and we are going to add three new sliders. First one is going to be our tonality, second one is going to be our wobble, and the third one is going to be our resonance. Make sure they are set up correctly. Let's start setting up our fourth LFO. Set our glide back to 0. Our frequency offset, we'll set it to 1.5. We'll set our balance to 1. We'll set up our first LFO the same as the fourth. Now we'll set up the second and the third. We'll set our glide to 1 and our balance to 0.5 and our frequency offset to 0.75. We'll set up our step values and we'll make sure it's set to sine. And now we'll set up the third one. We'll set it to linear. We'll adjust our EQ a little bit. We'll tie our peak frequencies to our tonality slider. We'll tie our wobble to frequency 1 and 2. We're going to push our drive a little bit, our lo-fi, and we're ready to listen to it. I'm gonna play the return only for you so you can hear what it is doing. Without. With. Try it and let me know what you think.